Hi everyone, it's Ines. Today we're going to be learning about health sciences. Let's go. When you study STEM subjects at school, going into a health science job is one of the options that might appeal to you. As the name suggests, health science is science which deals with human and animal health. We all know what doctors, vets and nurses are, but health science is much wider than that. There are also a huge variety of jobs in research which aim to improve our health, cure diseases, and get a better understanding of how humans and animals work. First off, I went to meet Nada at the Centre for Health Science in Inverness to find out what it's like being a recently qualified doctor. So tell me a little bit about what you do.
I'm what's called a Foundation Year 2 doctor at the moment, so I'm in my second year after finishing university. And basically my current job is a teaching job, so I get to do quite a lot of teaching for medical students in particular. But we rotate every 4 months or so I've had quite a few different jobs over the last 2 years. Mostly in hospital, but also in GP as well, and in a rural hospital too.
What would you say is your favourite part about what you do?
The field is always changing, so there's a lot of learning to do and always new things to find out. And the other thing that I probably enjoy the most about my job is chatting to people, hearing about people's lives and trying in some way to make them feel better. I find that really rewarding. You're trying to fix people, you're trying to make them better, and you're trying to save people's lives at the end of the day.
The Highlands and Islands is an enormous area with only a limited number of hospitals. So we need to find new ways to help people who might not be near a hospital or be able to get to one easily. I heard about an interesting new technology that has been developed at Corporate Health International on the Inverness campus.
The only thing that's relatable to the pill cam to see your insides is a colonoscopy. You basically have to get something either put up you or put down you. That can be quite uncomfortable for the patient. Going through that procedure is the cost towards the NHS. Currently, I think it's around 60% of colonoscopies require no further action. So basically 60% of these people we only need to have a look at. So why not have a capsule? It is more comfortable for the patient, and in the long run it actually works out cheaper for the capsule as a procedure as a whole than a colonoscopy. Whatever the capsule is recording is transmitted in real time to the recorder, and then after the capsule comes out you would plug the recorder into the computer and then you'd compile a video from what the capsule's seen, and from there we have readers who look at these videos and go through the video and they will mark anything that has been found on the capsule. It doesn't really feel like a job, it feels like a big project because you're trying to do something that's never been done before.
We've only talked to a couple of people who work in health sciences, but it shows how varied the jobs in the sector are. And remember, we have only talked to people involved in human life sciences. There's a whole other group of people working on animal health. If it's an area that interests you, whether it's treating people or animals or investigating diseases and illness, then health sciences could be the way to go after school, college or uni.